Stop right there. Did you know that you can listen to this entire book on MyOn? All you need to do is go into your Clever, log in, click MyOn, and then search for mammal body parts, which is the name of this text. Then you can begin this lesson. Today in reading, we are learning to identify the main topic and retell key details of a text. Do you know what the main topic is? Tell me. The main topic is who or what the story is all about. Do you know what key details are? Tell me. The key details are the important pieces of information the author wants you to know about the topic. Our job today is to find out what the main topic and key details are of a section of this text. To figure out what a book is mostly about, it helps to pay attention to the word or words you see again and again. On each page, notice what repeats. Think, does this word tell me what the book is mostly about? After we figure out the topic, we will think about the important information the author tells us about the topic. That will be our key details. We are reading to figure out the main topic and key details of the book using the words and the photographs for help. What is a mammal? Mammals are animals that have hair or fur. Mammal mothers feed babies their milk. Dogs and humans are mammals. Whales are mammals that live in the sea. Mammals do not all look the same. Their bodies can be very different from each other. Let's take a look at the parts of their bodies. So, I'm thinking about what repeats on these pages in the words. Well, I heard the word mammals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times just on these 2 pages. So it's kind of making me think that the topic might be mammals. But I also heard the word bodies twice. So I'll keep in mind that the author might have the topic as mammal bodies. Let's read further to see what else we find. Eyes. Mammals have 2 eyes. Some animals have eyes on the fronts of their heads. This tarsier has very large eyes to see in the dark. Tarsiers are nocturnal. Many mammals, such as this mouse, have eyes on the sides of their head. The mouse's eyes help it to see all around. It can look out for danger. So, what repeats on these pages in the pictures? Well, I still see 2 mammals, and I remember reading the word mammals a lot of times on the previous page, and I still see their body parts, which are their eyes, and I remember learning about their eyes, their body parts on the previous pages. So I think it's still mammals' body parts. Let's continue to read. Ears. Many mammals have very good hearing. Cats can move their ears one at a time. This movement helps the cat know where sounds are coming from. Elephants have huge ears. They can hear sounds from very far away. Elephants also flap their ears to help them cool. Your turn. Now think. What is this book mostly about so far? State the main topic. Tell me. Don't forget to look for what's the same. Can you put your fingers on any words that are the same on a couple of the pages? If you found a repeating word, now what is the main topic? You got it. Okay, time to get out your notebook. Your first sentence will say, this part of the text is about. It's your job to finish the sentence and tell what the main topic is. Next in your notebook, you will write 3 things that you learned about mammals and their body parts from the words. The sentence is at the top of the slide so you can write it down. One thing I might write that I learned about mammals and their body parts is that cats move their ears to hear where sounds are coming from. I might write that next to the number 1. Your job is to write 3 things that you learned. These are your key details. Now, you will write in your notebook 3 things you learned about mammals and their body parts from the photographs. So one thing I might write is that mammals have eyes on the sides and front of their head. I can see that in the photograph of the tarsier and the mouse. Now you write your own 3 pieces of information or key details that you learned from the photographs.